Hello grade 8, today we're going to solve a chemistry worksheet about galvanic cell, and the first question, let's start with, is consider the following galvanic cell. So here we have this galvanic cell which is made up of, as you can see here, we have two strips, Y and we have Y and X. We have the X, as you can see the strip is getting thinner and the strip of Y is getting thicker, and here the X is getting thinner. We have here the voltmeter, we have a salt bridge, and X is dipped in a solution of Ag plus and X is dipped in a solution of Mg2 plus. Identify the anode and the cathode of the of X is the anode, since it is getting thinner. Okay, and Y, so is Y is Ag strip and is dipped in a solution of Mg2 plus, so X is Mg, is losing Mg plus 2 electrons. Okay, the cathode electron plus is gaining on to become G solid. So is Mg 2Ag plus give G 2 plus 2G. So Mg, let me put it in red color, Mg 2 plus, which is Ag plus, it became Ag. So this is the cell representation. Now number 6, indicate the direction of flow of the electrons in the external circuit. Here the electrons, as you know, the electrons, they usually flow from where? From the anode to the cathode. The anode is X, so the direction of a flow of electrons is from G to solution. Okay. The salt bridge contains the electrolyte NaNO3, which is sodium nitrate solution, Na plus and NO3 minus. Indicate the direction of flow of the ions in the salt bridge justified. Okay, and now where is the Na plus ions going to go to flow? To where? To the anodic or the cathodic half cell? Let's see here at the level of the anodic half cell. What do we? NO3 minus ions will flow to the anode. Will flow to the anode half cell. Okay, and at the level of the cathodic half cell there is a build up of negative ions, so they will flow to the cathode. To the cathode half cell. Okay, now what is the role of the salt bridge? We have 3 roles that I've discussed before, which is, first of all, we have prevents what? The mixing of the two solutions. Okay, what else? It ensures the flow of electrons, and finally the last one, it keeps the charge balanced in the charge balanced in the two solutions. Okay, so this is the first exercise. Now let's move on the second exercise. Yeah, the second exercise. The five metals Ag, Cu, the five metals Ag, Cu, Z, and Al and Mg are arranged on an axis according to their tendency to lose electrons. Their ions are Ag plus, Cu2 plus, Zn2 plus, Al3 plus, and Mg2 plus respectively. As you can see here, we have the first one here. Okay, wait. Okay. Okay. So tendency of losing electrons, the one that has more tendency to lose electrons is Mg, and Ag is the least one to lose electrons. Number one here, galvanic G1, galvanic cell G1, as you can see here, AlHe. Identify the anode and the cathode of this cell. Okay, let's identify the cathode and the anode. Type, never mind. So the cathode here and the anode. Let's see, we have Al and Ag. Where's Al on the axis? Hey, where's Ag? So which one is more has more tendency to lose electrons? Al. So Al is going to perform oxidation. So oxidation. So to perform is Al. The cathode Ag. Give the names of numbers 1 to 7. Let's see. Number 1. Let me first erase. Okay. Number 1. What do we have number 1? Number 1 here is this one. So نحن here we don't have which one هي الانود ولا cathode. So let's say إنه number 1 هي الcathode. So الcathode is Ag. So 1 is Ag plus solution. طيب number 3 Al هي الانود. Number 5 we have solution. Number 6, which is the connecting wires. I wrote R by mistake. And number 7 is the voltmeter. Okay, now write the anodic and cathodic half cell. And the anodic is the anode is Al, so Al is losing electrons to become A plus 3 electrons. Half let me write here anodic half reaction cathodic half reaction. G plus gaining 1 electron come L. Oh, why the color is like this? Plus what? 3 Ag plus give Al Ag. Write the cell representation. Let me erase this one. Write the cell representation. The cell representation, we said we write the anode أول شيء. So it becomes Al plus the Ag plus the cathode Ag. Okay, so by this we ended our session for today. Hope you understood these two exercises, and goodbye.